Next thing we're going to look at is accessing the Oracle database. So I've got so I just enabled this segment so you can go through it and set up all the accounts that you need. So the first thing you guys need to do is create your Unix account. So in fact, I've answered this question, why do you need a Unix account? So please read this. Creating your Unix account, you can follow this link on voyager.com, voyager.dianza.edu, excuse me, and follow these steps, which is pretty self-evident for creating your Unix account. Now, once you have access to the Unix account, you might need to download Putty on Windows to use that, to use the Unix account. Now, if you go to voyager.dianza.edu, there is a link for connecting to Voyager. This has information on using the Putty program. And later on in this document, they also show you where to go and download Putty. This will work really well for Windows operating systems. If you want to transfer files between Windows and your Unix account, they show you how to do that as well, but you'll never really need to do this for this course. So you don't have to look through it. The only thing you need to do is get the Putty program, and once you've created your Unix account, you can use that to log in. And this is where they show you how to get Putty. For my Mac users, which is also a pretty active part of the student population when you guys use Mac OS, I've got this link that covers using SSH in the terminal window on the Mac. So when it prompts you to enter when you have to enter the server name, you just say voyager.dianza.edu here. And then it will print this, you type yes, and then you type your password and you're in. So keep in mind, you'll need to say your login ID at voyager.dianza.edu. So like my Unix ID, if let's say it's SS0 whatever, then I'll need to say this is a Voyager ID that you'll end up creating yourself. Nobody creates this for you. Now, if you have a problem with your Unix password, simply send me an email and I'll work with the administrator to get that sorted out for you. And so let me show you how accessing Unix would work. So I've already downloaded Putty on this computer. And I'm going to use, I've got a profile here that I already created to point to voyager.dianza.edu. I'm going to open my link, and hopefully you all can see this. If not, what I can do is make the font size a little bit larger. So you guys should be able to see that now. So it says login as, and I'll give my Unix ID and type my password. You'll notice that when I'm typing my password, it basically does not show all the characters I'm typing, for a good reason, because I don't want to display my password in a recorded session and give it to everyone online. So it prints out that large message, and when I'm here at a prompt like my login ID at Voyager tilde, that shows, or that means that I've successfully logged into Voyager. So if you have a Unix account and your password is not working, that probably means you forgot your password that you had set up yourself. And as I mentioned, you can email me and I'll try and get that sorted out for you. So now I'm ready to log into the database. So at this prompt, I need to type SQL+. This is the client program I'm going to run on Unix to access the database. I will hit enter, and then it prompts me for a username. I'm using username system to demonstrate. For you guys, I have set up your account IDs right here. So if you go to this link, that says get your Oracle ID from this document, you can click on this document and look for your student ID, and you basically will have your username. You will see this, you will see the username right there. And your password, I'm going to email those to you after the lecture today, in a few minutes. And I've also got these instructions that I'm covering now. I've got these instructions step by step with screenshots. So like once you're logged in, you'll type in your username, your password, and then it'll take you to the SQL prompt. And then when you're ready to set up your database, you can run a script to set up your database to then start working on your assignments that require access to a database. Assignment 1 does not. Assignment 2 onwards, we will be using using your account to access. So just to demonstrate this, as I was doing, I've got SQL+, I hit enter, type system, and then I can type my password, And as long as I get to the SQL prompt, I'm ready to use the database. So that is what is needed for accessing the Oracle account on our system. And everyone should use this. Some people get inspired to installing Oracle at home or installing MySQL, and it becomes a daunting task. And instead of focusing on learning the language, you end up spending all this time, and then in frustration you fall behind. So I would recommend not doing that at all. Okay? So I've created your Oracle account already, and that information is available on the website right now. You just have to create your Unix account and wait for my email that gives you your password, and you're set. And you have some instructions here on the website you can use. I will also have a copy of this recording posted on the website. So in fact, I'm going to post all the recordings right here on the very top where it says link for recordings will be posted here. I'm going to post the link to a recording right here, and you should be able to, like for today at least, well, there's nothing, but I will add the links here for each lecture set. So as it becomes available, okay? So this gets us through our first day of getting to know what's in the course, how to access Oracle account, and working on assignment 1. And assignment 1, folks, is posted like right here. You guys should be able to see that right now. So assignment 1 is something you put together in a text file and email it to me. And if you need instructions for submitting assignments, those are nicely documented in the syllabus for you. Just follow these instructions and you'll be fine. So, sorry, you don't upload anything in Catalyst, you just email everything. And I'll update this, and all the emails will go to cislabs05@gmail.com. I'm not using Catalyst for collecting assignments. So, okay. I will send a separate email to you guys on how to submit assignments, so you have the instructions on your fingertips. So guys, this is all I have for today. I'll be around if you guys have more questions, happy to address or answer those.